Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. Today we are going to be doing some small savings challenges, and we are going to be saving 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have $24 to work with today, and we are going to start with the winner roll the dice. This is from the Happy Mailbox Company. Her YouTube channel is Lisa Grateful Me, and we are going to roll. Well, that ain't going to work. We're going to have to redo that. So the winner is going to get 5. So, right here, 5. So I'm just going to put this 5 into the winner. Nope, wrong way. We're going to try this again, y'all. So now the winner challenge has got 15. Slow and steady wins the race. I did go back and move some of these around the way that I wanted to get them done. Bless you, Simon. I don't know if y'all heard Simon sneeze over there, but he's sneezing. So the next one, we're going to see how far we can go, guys. And remember, small challenges add up. And it landed on a 4. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one, all these has got places they're going to go into like a sinking fund later on. So let's see this one. Ooh, that one's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We may get done quicker than, so this one should have 13. Quicker than what I wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so there's that one. The next one is the little chicken one. We are going to see how much we got left here. I'm going to put some light on the situation here. Let's see, how much we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I think we'll do a 5 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one we've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The next one, we have got the little summer, and I'm going to finish this one out. I'm going to put 2 in it. 1, 2. This one should have 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one is going to go over here. I'm going to put it, I'll put it right here. And I'm going to replace it with this one. This is my cute little baby bears and Mama Bear. So I'm going to put that there. These are actually up on my Etsy shop if you all are interested. I have this one. And then I got this one. This one. And the hummingbirds. So if you all are interested, like I said, they are up on my Etsy shop, ready to be bought and gone. Let's see, this one, how much we got left? $2. We will go in here. We'll color in the 2. And now this one has got how much money in it? Now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 16, 17, 18. This one has got 18 in it. So, small savings add up, guys. Okay, so we are going to put that there. And that one there. Oh, let me see. The Summer Mini Challenge, which is this one, is going to go towards the 2025. So I'm going to come over here and bring this one. And I am just going to slide this Finish Challenge in here until next time, and we will color in the big 2025 challenge. So guys, that's it for today. Remember, do what you can with what you got, as Miss Amanda says. She was Amanda's Budgets. She's now Life Unfiltered. Guys, please pray for Miss Amanda. Her and her husband was in an accident and their car may be totaled. She's devastated. And, you know, just remember her in your prayers. And always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And until next time, remember, save what you can, whether it's quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies, or $1 at a time. It all adds up, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.